Welcome back, students. In the previous video, we did about place value and face value. Now let us combine both and find out in a number. Example, I have taken a number 1428. Now together we will find out the face value also and the place value also. Here I have arranged them in the place value chart. 8 at the ones place, 2 at the tens place, 4 at the hundreds place and 1 at the thousands place. Now let us arrange the numbers. Yes, 1428, 1428. Now let us find out the face value of 1. What is face value? It is same as the digit itself. So what is the face value of 1? 1. What is the place value of 1 now? 1. 1 is at thousands place. So 1 into 1000, 1000. Next, 4. What is the face value of 4? Face value, the number itself, 4. What is the place value? 4 is at the hundreds place. So 4 into 100, 400. Next number is 2. What is the face value of 2? 2. And what is the place value? 2 is at the tens place. So 2 into 10 is 20. And last 8. 8 is at the ones place. What is the face value? It is the digit itself. So 8, face value is 8 and place value it is at ones place. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. One more example. 5070. Arranging them in the place value chart. 0 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 0 at hundreds place and 5 at the thousands place. Now let us find out the face value and the place value. 5. What is the face value of 5? Face value, the digit itself, 5. And what is the place value? 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. So in the number 5070, what is the place value of 5? 5000. Next number is 0. What is the face value of 0? 0. And place value also 0. Next number is 7. What is the face value of 7? The digit itself, 7. And place value, 7 is at the tens place. So 7 into 10 is equal to 70. And last, 0 is at the ones place. The face value of 0 is 0 and place value is also 0. Now here, one thing you have to note. The place value and the face value of 0 are always 0. Once again, the place value and the face value of 0 are always 0. It doesn't matter where 0 is placed in a number. Its place value of 0 of something is always 0. This can be better understand here. In our number, there were 2 zeros, 5070. Yes, just now we said the place value and the face value of 0 are always 0. See here, our number was 0, the face value is also 0 and the place value is also 0. Here, 0 is at the ones place, the face value is also 0 and the place value is also 0. So here, pay attention again, the place value and the face value of 0 are always 0. It doesn't matter where 0 is placed in a number. Its place value of 0 of something is always 0. Now I have some assignment for you. Homework. Write the place value and face value of each digit. The number is 7051. you have to find out the place value and face value. Yes? Here, the second question, 8479. You have to find out the place value and face value. The first question. This is the second question. Next, write in words. You have to write the spelling, number naming. Yes? 1017, 6239, 3115, 2004. Then arrange in ascending order. These are the 4 numbers. You have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, A. A is the smallest number. So it means from smallest to biggest. Next, arrange in descending order. D. D is the 4th letter. So biggest to smallest. Yes? So this is your homework. Thank you.